Oh, it's red.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm live. I'm live streaming to YouTube. Is that pictures gonna change anything?
I don't know. This is taking forever, so it's a lot of buffering. I'm going to try different settings. More like the default. It should just go.
What if you go there? Maybe that one?
This is a place to start it. See, live now. There you go. This is a place to start it. See, live now. There you go. This is a place to start it. See, live now. There you go. This is a place to start it. See, live now. There you go. This is a place to start it. See, live now. There you go. This is a place to start it. See, live now. There you go. This is a place to start it. See, live now. There you go. This is a place to start it. See, live now. You. Is it right there?
If it takes a while, people like, da 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 da.
See, there's like 5-second delay. 10.
Yeah, it's delayed.
Does it count as 2 watching if I watch here too?
Maybe. Let me see how it's look like in the phone. Oh. Okay. I'm so dark. I'm proud of my color.
Sure you are.
Kayo manggi.
See, it says there's 2 watching, even though it's not really, because it's my account twice. Boo. You don't hear it. Hello. 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 Okay, let's get that one. I should be able to hear something here, though.
No.
Yeah, because my phone is turned up.
Oh. No sounds?
Maybe my phone's just dumb.
We're using the camera as a mirror. Normally me, I use my camera as a mirror. I'm a Star Wars shirt, guys. There, Star Wars shirt.
Yeah, I don't hear it.
No? Maybe you need a headphone?
I don't know. Should definitely be making sound. For some reason, the mic got shut off when I muted that.
Maybe?
It shouldn't matter. Only one thing to test. 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 I don't know. What did I do for audio? Okay, now set it to the webcam mic. It should have volume. Oh! Fuck off, Bluetooth. Fuck off, Bluetooth. That was the problem.
What is it?
It was connecting to my Bluetooth downstairs.
Oh.
It was connecting Bluetooth. Okay, so that works. Let's go bigger. Let's go bigger there. Now you have your stream. You just open up XSplit, which is on your desktop, although so is everything
So that's
else.
my stream, honey?
Because you don't ever clean up your desktop. So yeah, you just open it up and click on broadcast and YouTube Live, and then it will go.
Oh, okay.
It seems to work,
Never done that.
although it looks like this.
Ooh,
It's not super good quality. It's 720 on a cheap webcam.
Oh.
I can up the bitrate because you can tell that it could be a little better. Which, there it is. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Go, 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 go. There it is. Let's go full screen, see if it looks better. It looks the same. Now, even if you hold still, it doesn't like clear up. But I guess the best way to do this would be with headphones. No, because you don't need to hear them at all. You just need to let it go.
Yeah, I don't need to hear them because they're like basically they're gonna comment, right?
Yeah.
So they can. Do you think they can hear me when I'm talking?
Yes. Just like this. Talk. Just like this.
Okay.
Talk. Just like this.
Okay. Yeah. They can hear me.
You're going to want to turn that off anytime you're doing something, because that's going to be very noisy.
Really? What? It's like what if it's hot?
No, you just watch. That's what you hear. That's what they hear.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Now let's turn it off and listen. Hold on. Still going. Now it's done.
Okay. No more noise.
And then you just sit here and talk in front of it like normal, and hopefully it sounds okay.
Yeah, it's the sound is okay. Ow!
See, you gotta be quiet.
That's loud.
I know. If you if someone says something, you're like, oh my god! See, you gotta be nice to headphone people. But you can also tell it to use this microphone.
No.
And that's really easy. You don't even need to take it off. All you need to do is plug the cable into the back. You can take those off. So all you gotta do is plug the cable into the back and have it sitting like right here all the time. And when you want to use it, just put your camera here, unplug this and plug the other one in, and it can just sit there. And you'll have a really good mic right there.
Okay.
So there's that. And that's not a bad delay.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 seconds. So when people are typing, you can respond in 4 seconds, and that's pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So your computer's awesome, your internet's awesome, you can stream really quick. You do need a better webcam though. You can actually buy something to where you can hook this up to it. It's like $100 to plug into your computer. But then instead of capturing from the webcam, it'll capture from the card. And a better webcam's $100. So you may as well use this.
Expensive though. Ooh.
It's the same price either way. Use the really nice camera.
Did you hear that? I'm playing with my tita.
Yeah, they can hear that.
Bad.
They can hear everything. Do we got 3 people watching yet? No. 3,000 subscribers aren't watching.